Now, here's what we've done. One of the things that was noted, I forget who asked me about it. It may have been Jose. If you've got your contacts in here, we because of the way the screen's designed, we've got lots of fields and stuff. We have the notes way down at the bottom, and we may change that, whatever. But if you just need to add a note to a contact, we've added this little icon up here in the upper right corner just to do a quick add of a note. So I can click on that, and then I can type in my note. Give Mark a call. If I would be able to type. I can never type whenever I'm talking to you guys. Sorry about that. Now here's the thing. Who's going to see that note if it's buried inside of a contact? You're not necessarily. But what we've added is this. If you put in a little @ sign in your note, anywhere in your note, it'll start showing down here at the bottom some notifiers, the mentions option. It's called a mention. Lots of software does this, but we've implemented in SAM as well. So we do the little mention, and maybe I wanted to send this to Cody. Okay, so I start typing COD, and then it says, oh, we do have a user named Cody Step with those 3 names, so that's a choice. Do you want to send it to everybody, or do you want to send it to Cody? Well, I want to send it to Cody, so I'll just click on Cody, and then it fills that out. Okay, now, whenever I finish my note, I click on Save. Ding, ding. I don't know if you heard that. That was Cody's account over here getting the notification. So let me pull this back down here. Over here, the ding, ding there was a new mention. Give Mark a call. And so I can click on this. And at this point, it gives you the information. What it also does is it adds a open link option here that we know the note came from Mark. We can have the link to Mark's record right there, and it would open it up. I can't do that because this is actually the URL won't work on this one. If I would have sent it from here to the other one, it would. But what it does then is it opens up the contact record whenever I click on that for the person that I'm supposed to call. So you have instant access to that person from the notifications. So that makes it real easy for you guys to share names and, hey, be sure to call this person, or make sure you deal with this person in whatever way that you need to by using these notifications.